بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق
Students of class 3, now we will start work for day 5 of general science. Students, in previous lecture we have completed our reading. Students, put out your general science books. Page number 8. Have you opened your books? Okay, let's start. Students, today we are going to discuss about exercise that is given and at the each unit. So students, page number 8, exercise. Exercise includes MCQs, matching, jumble words, question answers, label the diagram, activities. So first of all, we discuss about choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. So students, मैं यहाँ से MCQs बोलती जाऊँगी और ऑप्शंस यानी कि जो आंसर हैं इनके वो आप यहाँ बोर्ड पर देख सकते हैं. So let's start. MCQ number 1 is, which organ controls all the systems and organs in the body? Students, I told you in previous lecture that brain is the control center of our body. It controls all the systems and organs. So option A is nose, option B brain, option C heart, and option D is skin. So which is the correct option? Option B, brain is the correct option. MCQ number 1, the correct option is B, that is brain, because brain controls all the activities and actions in the body. Second MCQ is, which two sense organs do we use when we cross a road? Option A is eyes, option B tongue, option C ears, and option D nose. So which is the correct option? Which two sense organs do we use when we cross a road? The correct option is A and C. Option A includes eyes and option C is ears. So students, जब हम रोड क्रॉस करते हैं तो eyes और ears, these two sense organs are active. Eyes and ears. Third MCQ is, which waste product does the skin get rid of? Option A is blood, option B sweat, option C tears, and option D urine. Students, when we were discussing about the excretory system, we learned that excretory system includes waste products. We remove waste products from our body, such as the lungs get rid of waste air, the kidneys get rid of urine, and the skin gets rid of sweat. So the correct option is sweat. Option B, sweat. Correct option is sweat. MCQ number 4. Which organ tells us what we are seeing? Students, when we were discussing about the sense organs in eyes, we discussed about when the eyes see something, they send a message to the brain. So, the brain tells us what we are seeing. So, the correct option is brain. Option C is the correct option, that is brain. MCQ number 5. What does the blood travel in to move around the body? Option A, lungs. Option B, veins and arteries. Option C, muscles and skin. Option D, brain. Students, circulatory system includes veins and arteries and heart. These three units make up the circulatory system, in which blood travels in to move around the body through veins and arteries. So correct option is B, that is veins and arteries. So students, in exercise we have completed question number 1. Now let's start question number 2. Match each body part to the correct system. Students, these are body parts. Column A includes body parts and column B consists of different systems. Match each body part to the correct system. Okay. Students, number 1 is muscles. So which in these system, which is the correct system? Muscles match with the muscular system because muscles make up the muscular system which help in movement. Second is bones. So students, column B में correct system कौन सा है? Bones, skeletal system. Bones makes up the skeletal system which supports and protects our soft body parts. Third is arteries. So students, in these systems, arteries belongs to circulatory system veins and arteries and heart make up the circulatory system. Fourth is nerves. Nerves belongs to nervous system. Fifth is stomach, and stomach lies in the group of digestive system. So students, these are the body parts, and here these are different systems. Muscles attached to muscular system, bones match with skeletal system, arteries match with circulatory system, nerves belongs to nervous system, and stomachs belongs to digestive system. Question number 2 have completed. Question number 3. Students, question number 3 is, which words do not belong in each list? There may be more than one word. One is skeletal system. Skull, eye, spine, lung, kneecap, heel. Respiratory system. Nose, nerve, heart, windpipe, and lung. Third is circulatory system. Includes vein, artery, blood vessels, heart, and rib. Fourth is digestive system. Liver, hip, stomach, intestine, and brain. स्टूडेंट्स, ये लिस्ट दी गई है जिनमें से हमने करेक्ट सिस्टम को, जो सिस्टम बना रहे हैं डिफरेंट थिंग्स या ऑर्गन्स, जो सिस्टम बना रहे हैं उन्हें हमने देखना है इस सिस्टम में, और इसके अलावा जो इस सिस्टम की लिस्ट में बिलोंग नहीं करते उन्हें अंडरलाइन करना है। फर्स्ट इज स्केलेटल सिस्टम। फर्स्ट इज स्केलेटल सिस्टम। स्कल, स्पाइन, kneecap and heel makes up the skeletal system. So eye and lung, these two words do not belong in this list. Is it clear? Next is respiratory system. Nose, windpipe and lung makes up the respiratory system. So nerve and heart, these two words do not belong in this list. Third is circulatory system, which is consist of vein, artery, blood vessels and heart. So ear and rib, these two words do not belong in this list. Digestive system. Liver, stomach, intestine makes up the digestive system. So hip and brain, these two words do not belong in this system. Is it clear? Students, skeletal system made up of skull, spine, kneecap and heel. So eye and lung do not belong in this system. Respiratory system. Nose, nerve, heart, windpipe and lung. But respiratory system consists of nose, windpipe and lung. So these two words, nerve and heart, do not belong in this list, in this system. Circulatory system, which is consist of vein, artery, blood vessels and heart. So ear and rib, these two words do not belong in this system. Digestive system. Digestive system, liver, stomach, intestine makes up the digestive system. So hip and brain do not belong in this system. Is it clear? So we have completed question number 3. Now start question number 5. Students, question number 5 is, how many breaths do you take in a minute? Breaths का मतलब है सांस लेना. तो what is the meaning of this question? कि हम 1 मिनट में कितनी दफ़ा सांस लेते हैं? The answer is 12 to 20 breaths take in a minute. We take 12 to 20 breaths in a minute. Clear, students? When does your breathing rate increases? What is the question? When does your breathing rate increases? Students, answer is the breathing rate increases when you exercise and your muscles work harder. Clear? Why does it increases? Students, हमारा ब्रीदिंग रेट इंक्रीज क्यों होता है? बिकॉज आंसर इज बिकॉज योर लेवल ऑफ एक्टिविटी increases, your breathing rate increases to bring more air into your lungs. Is it clear? Students, you can see a table which is consist of two columns. First column is age and the second column is average breaths per minute. In this column, different breath rates are discussed here and different age groups. Talk about these questions with your teacher. So students, आप ये कॉलम देख सकते हैं जिसमें एक में एज ग्रुप्स को बताया गया है और सेकंड कॉलम में एवरेज ब्रेथ्स पर मिनट. सो स्टूडेंट्स, talk about these questions with your teacher. There are some questions. First question is, what does the table show us? Answer is that this table shows us number of breaths an individual takes per minute. Students, this table shows us number of breaths an individual takes per minute. Second question is, what do we learn from the table? Second question is कि हमने इस टेबल से क्या सीखा? Answer is, we learn that as a person grows up, the number of breaths per minute decreases. Students, you can see the table. Newborns average breaths per minute is 44 breaths. Infants का मतलब है शीरख्वार बच्चा, यानी 1 साल तक का तकरीबन. तो एवरेज ब्रेथ रेट क्या है? 20 to 40 breaths. Then preschool children average breaths per minute is 20 to 30 breaths. Older children breath rate is 16 to 25 breaths. But adults breath rate is 12 to 20 breaths, average breath per minute of adults. So students, we learn that as a person grows up, the number of breaths per minute decreases. Third question is, can you see where you come in the table? We come in the group of older children. Older children, average breaths per minute of older children is 16 to 25 breaths. Is it clear? Question number 4 is the information in the table correct? How can you prove this? The information in the table is correct. We can prove it by counting our breaths in a minute. So students, हम breath rate count कर सकते हैं, pulse rate count कर सकते हैं और इससे हम prove करते हैं कि ये table correct है. Question number 5. What is the breathing rate of someone who has just exercised? So students, The someone who has just exercised breaths very fast. Is it the same as the rate while at rest? Answer is no, it is not the same as the rest while at the rate while at rest. So students, ये कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए थे, हमने इनके आंसर किए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 भी कंप्लीट कर लिया है. पेज नंबर 10. Question number 8. Label the systems and their organs. Students, ये आपकी डायग्राम दी गई हैं, आपने इन्हें लेबल करना है और इनके करेक्ट ऑर्गन्स बताने हैं और ये कौन से सिस्टम्स बताए गए हैं इन्हें भी लेबल करके बताना है. नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट्स, एक्टिविटीज़ हैं पेज नंबर 11 पर. जब आप स्कूल आएंगे तो हम ये एक्टिविटीज़ करेंगे. स्टूडेंट्स, वी हैव कंप्लीटेड वर्क फॉर डे 5. Students of class 3, now we will start work for day 6 of general science. Students, we have completed exercise in the previous lecture. Now we are going to start words meaning and dictation words. First of all, we discuss about dictation words. Students, be attentive and look at the whiteboard. Dictation words. First dictation word is cerebrum. Cerebrum. First dictation word is cerebrum. C-E-R-E. Ceri, B-R-U-M, Brum, cerebrum, cerebrum. What is the pronunciation of this word? Cerebrum. C-E-R-E, ceri, B-E-L-L-U-M, bellum. Combined word is cerebellum. 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 Third word is medulla. Medulla. M-E-D-U-L-L-A. Medulla. Medulla. Fourth word is tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. Tongue. Fifth word is skeletal. S-K-E-L-E. Skeletal. T-A-L. Tal. कंबाइंड वर्ड क्या है? स्केलेटल. सिक्स्थ इज मैसेज. मैसेज. MESSAGE. मैसेज. फर्स्ट इज cerebrum. सेकेंड cerebellum. medulla, tongue, skeletal, message. Seventh is digestive. Combined word digestive. DI, die. GES, chess. TIVE, tiv. digestive. क्या वर्ड है? digestive. Eighth is respiratory. RES, res. PIP, RA, ray. TORY, tree. Respiratory. Respiratory. Next is excretory. EX, CRE, cree. TORY, tree. Excretory. Excretory. 10 is absorbed. Absorbed. AB, ab. SORBED, absorbed. Absorbed. 11th is nerves. NERVES, nerves. Muscles. MUSCLES, muscles. So students, these are dictation words. Number 1, cerebrum. Number 2, cerebellum. Number 3, medulla. Number 4, tongue. Number 5, skeletal. Number 6, message. Number 7, digestive. Number 8, respiratory. 9th, excretory. 10th, absorbed. Number 11, nerves. Number 12, muscles. Next is words, meanings. Words, meanings. Number 1 is brain. BRAIN, brain. ब्रेन का क्या मतलब है? दिमाग. What is the meaning of brain? दिमाग. उर्दू में हम ब्रेन को दिमाग कहते हैं. सेकेंड वर्ड इज environment. ENVIRONMENT, environment. Environment, माहौल. What is the meaning of environment in Urdu? माहौल. Third is skeleton. SKELE, skelly. TON, ton, skeleton. Skeleton का क्या मतलब है? ढांचा. Fourth is tongue. TONGUE, tongue. Zuban. Fifth is muscles. MUSCLES, CLES मसल्स। मसल्स का मतलब है पट्ठे। सिक्स्थ इज स्टमक। STOMACH स्टमक। स्टमक का मतलब है मैदा। सेवेंथ इज किडनीज। KIDNEYS किडनीज। किडनीज का मतलब है गुर्दे। एंड नंबर 8 इज लंग्स। LUNGS लंग्स फेफड़े। लंग्स फेफड़े। नंबर 9 स्वेट। SWEAT स्वेट। स्वेट का क्या मतलब है? पसीना। नंबर 10 चैनल्स। CHANNELS channels। Channels means नालियां। So students, these are 10 words meaning. First is brain, दिमाग, environment, माहौल, skeleton, ढांचा, tongue, जुबान, muscles, पट्ठे, stomach, मैदा, kidneys, गुर्दे, lungs, फेफड़े, sweat, पसीना, channels, नालियां। So students, we have completed dictation words and words meaning. Now we are going to start short question answers. Book page number 9. Answer these questions. First question is answer these questions. So students, first question is which organs make up the respiratory system? Answer is nose, windpipe and lung. So students, what is the question? Which organs make up the respiratory systems? Nose, windpipe and lungs make up the respiratory system. Is it clear, students? Second question is, which organ pumps blood to all parts of the body? So students, which organ? Answer is heart. What is the answer? The answer is heart. Heart is the organ which pumps blood to all parts of the body. Clear? Question number 3. Question number 3 is, how does the framework of bones and muscles help us? So students, जो bones और muscles हैं वो किस तरह help out करते हैं हमें? What would happen if we do not have this framework? अगर ये फ्रेमवर्क हमारे पास ना हो तो क्या हो सकता है? आंसर इज फ्रेमवर्क ऑफ bones and muscles, framework of bones and muscles help us in movement. So students, when we are discussing about the systems of the body in skeletal system, we have discussed skeletal system is made up of bones which supports and protects our soft body parts. But in muscular system, which is made up of muscles helps us in movement. So these two systems are intermingled with each other. Students, second part of this question is, what would happen if we did not have this framework? So answer is, if we did not have this framework, if we did not have this framework, we would not be able to move. Question is, how does the framework of bones and muscles help us? Students, framework means structure that supports something. So answer is, framework of bones and muscles help us in movement. Second part of this question is, what would happen if we did not have this framework? Answer is, if we did not have this framework, we would not be able to move because skeleton provides support and gives shape to our body and also protects our body parts, soft body parts. So students, अगर फ्रेमवर्क ये बोन्स और मसल्स का फ्रेमवर्क हमारी बॉडी में ना हो तो हम मूव नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि स्केलेटन ही प्रोटेक्शन प्रोवाइड कर रहा है हमारी बॉडी को, हमें हमारी बॉडी को शेप दी हुई है और मसल्स जो हैं वो मूवमेंट में हेल्प आउट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, Question number 4. Does blood flow to all parts of the body? Second part of this question is, how can one prove this? Question number 4 is, does blood flow to all parts of the body? How can one prove this? So students, answer is yes. Blood flows to all parts of the body. Second part क्या है क्वेश्चन का? How can one prove this? आप किस तरह प्रूव कर सकते हैं कि ब्लड तमाम बॉडी पार्ट्स तक फ्लो कर रहा है? If we get an injury in any part of the body, blood start coming out. It means blood flows all parts of the body. Students, answer is yes. Blood flows to all parts of the body. All parts of the body. सेकेंड पोर्शन क्या है क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट का? क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 का सेकेंड पार्ट, हाउ कैन वन प्रूव दिस? आंसर इज, इफ वी गेट एन इंजरी इन एनी पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी, ब्लड स्टार्ट्स कमिंग आउट. स्टूडेंट्स, तो हमने इस तरह प्रूव किया कि ब्लड बॉडी के आपके किसी भी बॉडी पार्ट पर कोई कट या कोई इंजरी आ गई है या आपको कोई पिन जो है वो प्रिक हुई है तो फ़ौरन से ब्लड निकलना शुरू हो जाता है. तो इससे ये प्रूव होता है कि ब्लड हमारे ऑल बॉडी पार्ट्स तक पहुंचता है, फ्लो करता है. स्टूडेंट्स, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Do all people have all five senses? Answer is yes. Yes, all people have all five senses. Question number 5. Do all people have all five senses? Yes, all people have all five senses. These senses are eyes, nose, tongue, skin, ears. These are sense organs. So students, all people have all five senses. Students, we have completed work for day 6. Students, आपने अच्छी तरह रीडिंग करनी है, डिफ़िकल्ट वर्ड्स के मीनिंग्स करने हैं और राइटिंग. स्टूडेंट्स, जैसे आपके पहले पेपर लिए गए थे, टेस्ट लिए गए थे घर में, इसी तरह आपके अब भी टेस्ट लिए जाएंगे. आपने इन लेक्चर्स को अच्छे तरीके से पढ़ना है, 2 to 3 टाइम्स रीडिंग. सो नेक्स्ट लेक्चर के लिए इजाज़त दीजिए. अपना और अपने घर वालों का ख्याल रखिए. अल्लाह हाफिज़.
Thank you.